Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitya and thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I post vlogs, fun challenges and some real talks. And currently I'm also uploading some another kind of videos like fashion and all. So if you're interested, then please subscribe to my channel. And as I've already read from the title that this video is about that I have got my first ever YouTube payment, and I'm so happy sharing this with all of you guys because this wouldn't have been possible if you guys were not there, if you guys have not supported me. This was only possible because you guys have constantly supported me and just because of you. So I am extremely thankful from bottom of my heart. So here I am sharing all the steps that is required for you to receive your first ever payment. And in the last I'll also tell you how much I got, and I hope that you're excited as I am. आप मेरी खुशी देख के already guess कर सकते हो कि I'm so happy telling this to all of you. And without any further ado, let's begin with this video. Okay, let's begin. So I have started my channel on 29th of December 2019, and that day I have uploaded first video, and randomly I have uploaded because I have thought of starting a YouTube channel since a very long time, but I don't know what has stopped me to do so. But finally on 29th of December I uploaded my first ever video, and after that I was not constant. Okay, so I have uploaded couple of videos after that, and finally when I've started after 3-4 months, my main target was to hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. So if you are starting a YouTube channel, your first and foremost goal should be to hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. So I went that way, and in August I hit 1000 subscribers, August 2020, and on 27th of August I've also crossed the threshold of 4000 watch hours. And 27th August was my birthday, and I was so happy that day I hit the main threshold thing that is required. So picture does not end there. Okay, picture does not end there, not at all. So that was the primary and the most important thing that you need to do. Okay, so what I would say is that hitting 4000 watch hours was not easy. Okay, so if you're starting, just don't think that you have to do this and that is why you're starting it. You have to start it because you want to do this, like you like creating content, you like creating videos, you like editing or something on those lines. You have to like this, then only you can proceed. Okay, so I will not say hitting 4000 watch hours was easy. It was slightly difficult because some of your videos should boom up and reach to more number of audience so that you can hit that particular number. Okay, so once you cross this threshold, then you'll create an AdSense account. So after creating this AdSense account, your channel will go for the review. Google AdSense will review your channel कि आपके चैनल पे कुछ उल्टा सीधा कंटेंट तो नहीं है या कुछ कॉपीराइटेड कंटेंट या जो भी वो चेक करता है वो रिव्यू के लिए जाता है, और 2-3 दिन बाद रिव्यू से वो आता है, एंड देन इट सेज दैट यू कैन मोनेटाइज योर चैनल. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस. Okay, so once that is done, I was able to monetize my channel. Okay, so for monetizing, now in my videos ads will come. Okay, so after that I got a mail, and that mail says that you are eligible to monetize your channel. Oh my god, I'm still so happy saying this. So I was able to monetize my channel, but there is a problem that I did. There is a mistake that I did. Is I thought that your channel will be monetized automatically, but that was not the case. There is an option whenever you upload a video. There is an option monetization on or off. So you have to you have to go back to your channel, click the monetization on for every video. This you have to do, and I was not having an idea of that I have to do this, but yeah, after 2 months I did this. Okay, so don't commit this mistake. Go to your YouTube channel, click on every video and click on monetization on. Okay, don't forget it. After that, what happened is I created my AdSense account. Okay, after creating AdSense account, I have given all of the details, like the primary details that it requires. So I have given all the details and I have given my address there too. So for address verification, what happens is that Google AdSense sends a pin to your address so that they can verify that this person is real and this ID is real and all of that stuff. So they verify it and they will send a address pin to your address, and you have to enter that particular pin number to your AdSense account. Okay, so this is the procedure. This is the second procedure that I have to follow. And I'm looking down because I'm seeing in this diary. Okay, I wrote everything for you guys. Okay. So on 28th of October, I got address verification number and I entered the address verification number, and that time I have monetized my channel. So I on the monetization and everything was fine. Yeah. So now you have to add payment method on your AdSense account. Okay, so for payment method, the major problem that comes is Swift code. Okay, I have struggled and I am telling you this. That is why Swift code is the code that is used for the Swift code is the code that is used for foreign transaction. So maybe the place that you're living in must not have a Swift code. Okay, that may be a case, very much possible. Okay, so you have to enter the Swift code of your head branch. Wherever your bank's head branch is, you have to enter the Swift code of that particular place. Okay, you can find it in internet. Easily you can find it. I have also found out in the internet only. I've watched couple of videos in YouTube as to how I can find my Swift code. So there I came to know that this is how I can do it. So the Swift code is the major thing. Keep that in mind. So another thing is, once you hit a particular amount, then the amount will come into your bank account. Okay, so it's not the case that you 1000 subscribers is hit, 4000 watch hours is complete, so you'll get some money. No, that's not the case. This threshold is only for you to start monetizing your channel. For your channel to start showing ads, and through ads you earn money, of course. So 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours is only and only to monetize your channel. You'll not get any money out of it. Let me be very clear, because I was in a myth. Okay, that is why I'm telling you, I was in a myth. I thought ये threshold hit हो जाएगा तो कुछ पैसे आएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. बस monetization start होता है उसमें. ठीक है, मोनेटाइजेशन स्टार्ट होके फिर आपको वो पैसे आपके बैंक अकाउंट में कलेक्ट करने होते हैं. एक थ्रेशोल्ड हिट होता है, उसके बाद ही आपके अकाउंट में पैसे आते हैं. दैट थ्रेशोल्ड यू हैव टू गूगल. आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू से दैट थ्रेशोल्ड आउट हियर, सो यू हैव टू गो एंड गूगल. ओके, सो yeah, and after that what happens is that once you hit that threshold, after that on 21st of next month, I have hit the threshold on March, and on 21st of April I was able to receive my payment. Okay, so Google the threshold thing, you will get to know it. And okay, so to give you guys a more clear idea, you can buy Poco C3. That is the phone that you can buy from the amount that I have received, and that's all that I can tell you. Okay, I cannot tell you the amount. I cannot. I am it's against YouTube policy. I cannot tell you. Otherwise, I would have told you. Okay, so this much amount I have received, and one more thing. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel, don't start it to earn money. Okay, because you will not earn money. For me, it took around, from in December I have started, it took me around 1.5 years to receive first payment. So this is not gonna be easy. This is never gonna be easy. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel just for the sake of money, then trust me, it will take 1 year or 2 years, whatever, depends on person to person how many years it may take for you to start earning from YouTube. So don't consider YouTube as a primary source of income, that as soon as you start uploading videos you'll start getting money. That's not how YouTube works. So yeah, that was one thing I need to clarify, that this is not how it works, that you start uploading videos you start getting money. That's not how it works. Okay, वंस यू हैव मोनेटाइज्ड योर चैनल, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि पैसे आना चालू हो जाते हैं. आपको बहुत महीने वेट करना पड़ता है कि एक वो मिनिमम थ्रेशोल्ड हिट हो जाए और उसके बाद आपके अकाउंट में पैसे आएंगे. तो I got my payment on 21st of April and I have monetized my channel on October. So yeah, there's a large gap there. You need to wait, you need to have patience, then only you will be able to monetize your channel, then only you'll be able to earn money out of it. Yeah, that was pretty much all the procedure that I have to follow to receive my first ever payment. And I'm so happy sharing this because most of us, even me, I was not having any idea. So even me, I was not having any idea like what is the procedure, how it is to be followed. I have seen couple of videos, but I was not able to figure it out. Like seriously, I'm not defaming anything or anything of that sort, but I hope that I cleared some of your doubts that you have in your mind. And I am very, very, very thankful for each one of you who watched my videos and who helped me reach to this particular point. And I wish to go ahead and reach many heights, and that can be only possible if you guys support me. So that's all. Okay, that's all from my end. I hope this video helped you in any way. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel, this might help you, and if it did, then please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down if you have any questions regarding this. I'm more than happy to answer it, and I will see you very, very soon on my next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay positive, take care of your parents, and be kind. Bye bye.